Find features that distinguish it from other brands for RCARTICH Welding Cart, heavy-duty rolling welder carts with 360 swivel wheels, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Strong enough weight capacity. Heavy-duty welding cart with sturdy metal support. The maximum static weight capacity is 400 pounds, the maximum dynamic weight capacity is 350 pounds. Welder carts are suitable for a variety of welding work such as TIG welding, manual welding, and gas-shielded welding. Convenient storage. Large-size welding cart bottom storage box design can easily hold your welding caps. Welders, torches, welding gloves, welding rods, and other tools. The center and top can hold various types of welders. The side of the 4 metal brackets can hold welding torches, pliers, and other tools. Stable and sturdy. Welding cart is designed with frosted material as a whole, with 2 stainless steel safety chains in the north, effectively preventing gas cylinders from slipping, suitable for acetylene, nitrogen, oxygen, and liquefied gas cylinders. Keep the gas cylinder stable and safe during use. Practical and easy to move. Rolling welder carts is 31 x 14.4 x 37.4 inch, the top frame size is 14 x 19 inch, the storage box size is 10.2 x 10.2 x 19.5 inch, and there is enough space to store welding tools and supplies. The middle partition size is 14 x 19.5 inch and welding cart is equipped with 2 front wheels that can rotate 360 degrees and 2 heavy-duty 6-inch directional rear wheels, which are easy to achieve all-round movement. High-quality materials and easy to install. This welding cart is made of high-quality metal, coated with a layer of high-quality matte paint, effectively preventing scratches and rust. And we provide detailed instructions and installation accessories for your easy installation, suitable for home garages, workshops, repair shops, rapid welding work, or large-scale projects. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.